How to transfer view templates between Revit projects. Hello and welcome to our new video. Today, we're showing how to transfer view templates between projects, 2 easy methods. So, let's get started. First, what is a view template? A view template is a collection of view-specific settings such as view scale, discipline, detail level, and visibility graphics. It's a tool used to standardize and control the appearance of multiple views in a project, including floor plans, sections, elevations, and 3D views. In short, it's a preset that saves all settings of one view so we can apply them to other views and maintain consistency. To see which view templates are currently available in the project, we can go to the View tab, under the Graphics panel, select View Templates, and then Manage View Templates. Here we can see all templates included in this project. In this case, these are the default templates that come with Revit's standard project template. We haven't customized anything inside them, and applying the 3D presentation template won't make noticeable changes because everything is already set to Revit's default behavior. However, in another project, we have view templates already customized the way we want, so we want to bring them into this one. How do we do that? For both methods, we first need to have the source project open. In our case, Residence 246. Method 1. Transfer project standards. This tool is built directly into Revit. To use it, we need to be inside the project we want to copy the templates into. We go to the Manage tab, under the Settings panel, and select Transfer Project Standards. Then we choose the project we want to copy from, Residence 246. Revit allows us to copy various types of project standards, such as line styles, materials, filters, view templates, etc. In this case, we only need the view templates, so we'll check only that category. A dialog appears asking whether we want to overwrite templates that already exist in this project, same name but different settings. For now, we only want to bring in the templates we don't have, so we select New Only. When we open Manage View Templates again, we can see the newly imported templates: 3D View, Demo, Electrical, Enlarged Plan, Interior Elevation, and Sheets. We could assign them directly from here, but we'll do it through the Properties panel. Under Identity Data, next to View Template, we click None, and the Assign View Template window opens. We select the template we want to apply. Here we can duplicate and rename templates, but deleting must be done through Manage View Templates. We can see the changes applied to our view. The main limitation of this method is that Revit transfers all templates from the source project. We can't select only specific ones. One workaround would be to delete the templates we don't want inside the source project before transferring, but there is a much better solution: pyRevit. Method 2. Using the pyRevit plugin. If you don't have pyRevit installed yet, we're not sure what you're waiting for. There's a link in the description to one of our previous videos, how to create custom hatch patterns in Revit, where we also showed how to install pyRevit, so make sure to check it out. For this method, we'll open another project, Residence 5895. This time, we want to transfer only specific templates, not all of them. Unlike the first method, now we need to be inside the project we are copying from. We go to the pyRevit tab, under the Drawing Set panel. Select Views, and choose Copy Selected View Templates to Other Open Models. We select the templates we want to transfer. We'll pick 2 in this example. Click Select, and now we can choose which of the currently open projects should receive these templates. Since we already imported them into the 24C house using Method 1, this time we'll only select 5895. Click OK, and that's it. The templates are copied. We can check to confirm. And yes, they're there. Now we just need to assign them. And that's it. These are the 2 methods for transferring view templates from one Revit project to another. We hope this tutorial helps you improve your Revit workflow. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.